Lai Haraoba is the festival of Manipur, a northeastern state in India. Manipur was known as Kangleipak in the early years. Lai Haraoba, which literally means merrymaking of God, is a festival that tells the story of the formation of the cosmos and mankind. The dominant indigenous community of Manipur, the Meiteis, celebrate the festival mainly in the summer season. The festival is celebrated for the Kanglei, or also known as Sylvan deities, which every villages have their own under different names. The festival is celebrated in the name of the Sylvan deities, and it is mainly celebrated during the summer season, but some villages celebrate it during the fall or winter season. The Lai Haraoba festival can be divided into 5 main parts. On the first day, the ritual of Lai Ikoukhatpa, in which the Amaiva and Amaivis, who act as a medium between the realm of God and mankind, calls the God from their realm to the realm of humankind from a water body. This ritual marks the first day of the festival. During the ritual, the Amaivi acts as a medium between the realm of God and mankind. People believe it that she is possessed by the God and deliver the message, especially omens, the bad things to happen to the villages and people in the coming year. This ritual marks the first part of the Lai Haraoba festival. After the ritual, they take some water from the pond or river in an earthen pot they brought and take it to the shrine. While going to the shrine, the Maivis dances all along the way. The popular folk dance of Manipur known as Maivi Jagoi. Jagoi means dance.
Planning to learn the music.
The men and women that follows the Maibi holding several things like umbrella and swords and iron pots and several others that belongs to the god are known as Lai Puba. Lai Lamlanba, which is crossing the road in front of a procession, is strictly forbidden. People believe that crossing the road in front of a procession will bring misfortune and ill luck to them. If anybody happens to cross the road in front of the procession, they must offer prayer and pray at the shrine to prevent the misfortune or ill luck. After reaching the shrine, the Maibis and the followers, including the Lai Puba, take a complete round of the inner compound of the shrine and then takes the water taken from the pond or river into the shrine. This is the first part of the Lai Haraoba festival. Stay tuned for the second part, third, fourth and fifth part of the festival. Thank you.